Hey guys, what's up? It's Adam here from Bookster Cubing, and this is my first vlog. So right now I'm on my way to my engineering class. Gotta go finish up soldering my circuit. We are building a random number generator, so here we go. Got everything set up right now, kind of. Got it out. So we have our box. Open it up. Get a couple supplies, soldering RNG, and then there's our kit. So I'm gonna get things set up, get back to you guys. Alright, so I just finished. What I was doing was I was soldering. Oh snap, that's really loose. I'll have to secure that somehow. It wants to like rotate like that. Anyways, so I finished soldering all of these little ones. That's what I did. So let's go put some batteries in and test it out. And phenolic test, I don't know. Oh no, what just happened? Okay. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now, it says it's number 2. You press the button.
You're not the only one this has happened to.
Great. So I messed up. Woohoo.
To do what? I cannot get to, there's no holder on this side.
Okay, why is that on? Oh, because the switch is on. Okay, cool. I got it. It doesn't do it anymore. It doesn't do it. It doesn't do it anymore. Oh, no, it does. Barely. Barely. Not as much.
The more you do it, the more.
Not as much, though. Okay, alright. So, but it's alright, so this is what it is. It's a dice roller display up here. Can we flip it on? So it's a 2 right now. As soon as we press the button, it changes the number, so it's a 2 again. It's a 1. No, so on and so forth. And it has all the numbers, but I think it's favoring 2. Okay. Yeah, for a second I was like, it's favoring 2, but no, it has all of them, so. Yeah, so it's working. There's all little solder
and
things.
this is why you don't be stupid with your solder at first.
And so what I messed up on
And then causing you to try to
is I put these in the wrong positions. I didn't put them in the right place. So my bad. It turned on, but it didn't turn on the correct things. And then I just hit the switch because moving it up and down would turn it on. Because it's more sensitive on that side, up and down. It'll like change this way. So yeah.